who have problems with the pressure treated wood, it would basically clog up the little feeder bit here, and it didn't work well. So over here, did a couple test holes
before he shot to make sure it worked.
Yeah. My cameraman would show you. Come on now, let's go. You gotta show him the holes. Yeah. So there you go. This first one, I just drilled straight through this side, and then this one looks a lot nicer because once the feeder bit poked a hole through, stopped, flipped the board, and then put it down through again. So I think it works pretty good.
Now we're going to show you it in action.
Gotta feel for a little bit. Nope. Oh, yep.
Reverse, reverse.
This is custom clamping right here. Take junk mail and put it so that way you don't hurt your coffee table.
Can't wait till he has a workshop.
Yeah.
Looks like our Roomba will have plenty to eat tomorrow.
Alright, so we got our little hole. That's it, folks. Shit, works pretty good.